Hello everyone, I am Jake. I'm one of the ministers here at Plymouth, and today we're learning from Kathee Houser and Congregational Life how to use the coffee makers. This is part of our series called Kathee Knows Everything. Greetings, this is Kathee Houser, our kitchen expert, Susan Rayner, co-chair of Congregational Life, and wonderful Carol, our other co-chair of Congregational Life. So thank you. All right, so today we're learning how to make coffee.
On Sunday morning, if you are working on coffee hour, you need to keep the coffee going. We need to make sure that the pot is turned on. Back here, there's a switch, and you can see when the lights are on, it's on. We are now ready to fill the basket with coffee so that we can make another pot. Before we do that, we need to make sure there is no coffee left in these big pots. So then we go into the kitchen. This cabinet holds all of the coffee and tea supplies that we use. There are two sizes of filters. There are the large filters and the small filters. The large filters are for the left-hand pot. The small filters are for the right-hand.
What if we use the wrong kind?
You'll make a mess. A big mess. Okay?
And you'll have to clean it up yourself.
It will overflow, and you'll have coffee grounds in the coffee.
Oh no.
Like that.
Mm-mm.
So, it looks like it's big, it's fine. You're gonna put 2.5 cups of ground coffee into the pot.
Where's the ground coffee at?
The ground coffee's up here on the shelf.
Is there,
One
where's
for
the decaf?
There's
Uh-huh.
one for regular.
Don't get them confused.
And it says right on the top, if you can read them, that's caffeine, this is decaf.
I like how that's marked. Okay. Next year for April Fool's, Kathee, I'm going to switch the lids.
You can't, they don't fit.
Okay.
Oh, good. Okay.
So, 2.5 cups in here.
Uh-huh.
If you need to open a can of coffee because the plastic cans are empty, we have a different kind of can opener.
Oh.
And it's over here to the right of the stove. Starting, you have to pull up the handle and then pull it up.
Whoa.
Stick the can underneath it. Put it down.
Removing your fingers in advance.
Yes. Put the handle down. Turn it.
Moving your fingers.
Very medieval. You know, Kathee, for 10 years I've wondered what that thing was.
Then, in order to get this off, you have to pull it up again. Pull it up. Let it down.
Okay.
And that takes care of
Opening
the can opener.
All right. So now we have more
Okay.
coffee. And there's always extra decaf and caffeinated in there? Oh, on top of the cabinet.
It sits up on
Got it.
top of the cabinet.
Got it.
There is a step stool.
Very
Yes.
useful.
That we do not have to go climbing all kinds of things. Okay, so we've got coffee in our basket. Then we're ready to put it into the coffee pot.
Okay. And how do we know which one's decaf and which one's caffeinated?
Decaf, says it's decaf, right there.
Okay.
And it's orange.
It's orange. Slide that basket right up there. And what you're gonna do is push the brew for the right pot or the left pot. Push it one time. If you push it twice, you'll get twice the amount of water. And again, you will have a mess. because water will go all over the counter.
Have you ever seen this happen?
Yes.
Okay.
And I've seen people scurrying to figure out what to do with all the water. So remember, push it one time.
Okay.
The other thing about this machine is that this is hot water. It says hot water. So if you are making tea, you push the hot water button, it comes out down here, you get hot water.
Oh, that's great.
Easy.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you are coming to do a small meeting and you don't need, what is that? What do you think, 30 cups?
Easy.
Yeah. We have a smaller pot that you can use to make coffee. It has a switch on the back, just like the other one. It's down here on the bottom. It's on the back.
Okay.
You push that on.
Lights on.
Ignore this one. Use the back one.
Okay.
Okay? And this has the same basket. Use that small filter. 1 cup of coffee in here. 2 1/4 cups in this one.
Okay.
It goes in here. Don't push anything yet. You need it.
You need to put something to catch it in.
Okay, so.
She's going
Oh.
to show you where
Oh,
there's the
okay. I'm
pot.
sorry. I'm with you. Here we go.
I'm going to show you where we keep the coffee pots. Down here below the dirty dish window are the coffee pots that go with that smaller
Oh.
coffee pot.
Okay.
There are 2 parts to it. This and this,
Mm-hmm.
okay?
Kind of a carafe.
So, yes. So we're going to put this underneath.
Oh.
We push the brew
Brew.
and it starts filling it up.
I see the light blinking.
It's going to take 10 minutes or so to fill it up. When it's done, you put this little gizmo
Mm-hmm.
into the center.
Oh.
It goes into the hole here, put the top down, and then you can use the lever to get coffee.
That is so cool.
Here it comes.
I always wondered what all those things were. I really didn't know.
Here we go. When you're done, you need to wash the coffee pots out. Don't leave coffee sitting here for a week and let the...
Looks like somebody did that.
They did, they left it.
Oh no, we'd have to clean that out before pressing the button or it would flood.
It would flood all over the place.
Okay, should we look at that thing, make sure it's empty before we start?
Lift the lid off.
Okay.
You gotta look in the lid. You pull this over and take the top off.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, bad. There's more in there.
But this one has caffeine, so maybe we'll still drink it.
Not
There we go. When you're done with your coffee, be sure that you turn the switch off on the back. Do not use this one. Use the back switches.
Okay.
Make sure the lights are off.
All right, is there anything else we need to know or does that pretty much cover it?
That's it.
All right.
What if people want to have cream and sugar in their coffee? Where does that come from?
Okay, cream and sugar.
Good question.
We try to keep cream and sugar stocked up here on the counter.
Mm-hmm.
If you need more, if you look in this cabinet, underneath,
Wow.
we have different kinds of sugar, sweet and low, Splenda, stevia, regular sugar. You name it, we
We've
have
got
it.
it. All
And
right.
you can just fill it back up.
All right. Well, Kathee Houser, our kitchen expert. Thank you for explaining everything about how to make coffee. Thank you to Susan and Carol for being our wonderful co-chairs of Congregational Life and co-stars of our video today. And from all of us at Plymouth, enjoy the coffee. Bye now.